All right. Let's get this started. Now that technology seems to want to agree with me. Yes, that's what I said. Okay. All right, where was I? All right, so all right. Alright, so it doesn't think that this particular function exists, despite the fact that it very much does exist. So oh. Silly me. Okay. Callback must be a function. But it is a function. Come on. Come on. Work with me. Or don't. I mean, that's cool too. Got the problem? What do you know? Alright, first let's see if it works. Inactive, inactive, inactive. Perfect. So, if that's what it's going to be doing. Var conversation list equals conversations by default. Greetings, viewer. Great to have you here. So with this, we're going to be able to have our topics immediately set up. So then we're going to be able to call on these topics inside of here when we go ahead and set the topic. And one of the functions that we're going to definitely be needing is this bad boy over here. Settings, we're going to be needing conversations dot topics. If it is inside of there, then we're going to be allowed to set it. Else, we need to let them know that it's not a valid topic. It is not a valid topic. And after that, I'm going to be able to, yeah, I probably want to have this should be good enough. And so what we want to go ahead and do once we have that is that we need to get inside a conversation var total conversation total topics equals conversation list dot length, and who is emailing me. So that's perfectly fine. So now that we have a number of topics, we need to do math. I believe the dice function actually had a good use for this. So what we want to do is get var big equals var role side total topics. No, we're not going to need it floored. Well, we're going to need it floored, but what we need that for is var topic, or once we have the role, console.log role. Now, conversation list role, and then let's see. Affected token at 440. So, what is it being moody at? Okay, there we go. That should probably solve it. Alright. Meaning, that should be perfectly fine now. We do not want to see that, so we're going to go ahead and our inactive, none, inactive, project. And then, what we go ahead and do with that, let's go ahead and have a couple of the projects. What are you working on right? What are you doing right now? How long have you been working on this? Technologies are you using? How did you get into this project? What are your political meanings? Philosophy. Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck? Would you rather genetic modification artificial intelligence or some other form of transhumanism. If none. Let's go ahead and space it out a little bit. Derp. Unexpected. Odcięty. How? Personal. Do you like to play? Alright, where are we? Where are we? Conversation. Conversations. Default. Wow, this is a whole lot smoother after I defragged my machine. Alright, so with that, let's go ahead and do set topic personal. Oh yeah, I need to add that. Hello. I need to add a list of known helpers, some other settings. Twitch bots.json. Apricot droop fruit, I'm pretty sure is one. Stream elements. Commander root. Nightbot. And I need to figure that out. Oh. Hello, state box. Set of topics that may be asked. All right. Set topic. Settings default JSON. The heck? Oh. Alright. It should have been in there. Unknown command. It should be there. Alright. I need to get it to stop doing that. User join. Twitch bots. Known bots. Setting.twitch.bots.json. I don't want to know if a bot is joined, and I'm sure nobody else cares to know, because, well, bots are annoying. That's my opinion, at least. And I need to see if index of username is greater than -1. So, need to know if it's falsy. Alright. Settings. There we go. All right. Set topic. Personal. Really? Console.log. Alright, interesting. I know you work, so let's go ahead and delay you for a minute. That way I can have cleaner logs. Set topic. I'm pretty sure it's a set topic. Okay. Why does it think it doesn't exist? That's the important part. Stream elements. Nightbot, you're already in there. It's not bot. Alright. Alright. Alright, what does it think is in the settings commands then? Or does it think darn it. It works, but for some reason Laravel public. Settings. Oh. All right. Go. Settings. All right. Set topic personal. Personal. There we go. How is it not a valid topic? And what does it think that I'm passing? The heck? Thought I figured it out. Index of username. That should fix it. Come on. Come on. All right. Alright, let's give it one more go. Now is personal. Fantastic. I know that Lurks is a bot, so I need to add him to the list. And then, if there's 0, I know Lurks. Another TV viewer. All right. Solve that. Did I put it wrong? Yep. To the party. So, if I now have that, I think I could get rid of that safely. Alright. So I need to get it to fire response. So I guess it comes down to what is target. But remember, it's just the channel. Yep. I'll have to Alright, so if that's the case, which means I need to get so the I need to find a better way. I guess. Unless in the args, I got it from set settings. I think that should be enough. All right. Hello, Arminka3232. Glad to have you here. And if you're a bot, then I guess you're a bot. So, wish there was a list of like known bots out there, and I could just drop it in and good to go. Let's see if it fires right. Okay, so if that works, set topic. Subject is now personal. Okay, that's neat. All right, and with that, let's see if it fires again, no problem. Will you follow? Will it work? Fantastic, it does work. Sweet. Pretty exciting. So at this point, What is the most memorable experience of your life? And I can easily set this up to be 300. So every 5 minutes, it will go ahead and set. And the first thing that I will have it always default to is project. Are you streaming? Do you do it for the love? For the... Do. Alright, what else can I think that's a good start. And we'll go ahead, make sure it fires once. Then there we go. Ah! Why does it hate me? Twitch conversation, so it's somewhere in here. Line 5 or position 536. Where is it? It looks right. $536. And if this works, $536. Alright, so 5. Interesting. So it's somewhere inside of here? None, inactive. Personal project. There we go. None. $500. 503. Alright. .503. .503. What am I missing? Because it looks fine. Personal. Oh! The heck? Why is it rejecting? That's super weird. Okay. 10 kinds of weird right there. Is it... I could have swore that the port was fine just a minute ago. I believe it's supposed to be 3002. That's what I had it at originally. What's going on? Maybe it's only having issue because of it's only having a problem because of the fact that the establishment hasn't, or the connection hasn't been established, which is fine. I guess it's one of those, I'll decide what I want to do with that later. So, now that we have that in place, actually happy that I finally got that taken care of. I actually had to spend several hours today trying to configure my computer to be cooperative. But let's find out who you are, Mr. Armenica. Very curious, because I think I've seen you around before. So, now that we have that, oh, lurker. Okay. Not sure what to do with that information, but it's a thing. So, now that we have that, and we also are able to get it to communicate, I can probably just crash the server, have it run in the background, and I can work on other things as well. Alright. But it's the fact that I actually spent most of the day actually trying to tell my computer to work faster, and the fact that it's actually working well now is nothing short of surprising. Alright. I also need to set up a number of similar functions that need to check every X amount of time. So, a number of pieces of functionality that I need to look out for over in time. So, that'll take some planning on my side. I was expecting it to actually take a lot longer than the time that I spent on this today, so yeah, that's a victory. So, with that, I really did not expect to finish things as fast as I did, so. That was going to be very, very, very far more difficult. Okay, so, let's see if it goes ahead and fires in the 5-minute mark. Till then. Might behoove me to also see if it would fire even when I'm offline. Don't think that would be problematic. Don't think so, at least. I don't know. Not sure. And my other video got nuked from orbit, so that's fun. So, what more could I do with this? What more? Can't really think of much. I mean, it is everything that I really needed to get done. At least for today. So, yeah. Gonna go ahead, take care of a couple of personal other things. So, thanks for hanging out. Yeah.